Okay, guys, I'm guaranteed you've had enough amortisation tables and recurrence relations and all that sort of stuff. The good news is you've got a CAS calculator. It is your best friend when it comes to this, with a few simple provisos. All right, we're just going to go through this with you quickly. Now, I'm just going to use Frank's example here. So Frank, he borrowed $30,000. The interest was 2.5% per annum, paid monthly over 10 years. All right. How you get to it. And Miss Brown has given you direct instructions. So go see Miss Brown's videos. It's a nice big screen. It's just a PowerPoint where she's talked over and done the CAS on the screen, so it's really easy to follow. Menu is our go-to button. Finance, Finance Solver. Easy. And it comes up with a list here of things. Okay? N, I, P, V, P, N, T, FV, PPY, CPY. Now, what these means are, this is the number of payments. I is obviously the interest rate. PV is the principal value, if you must. Payment, P&T, surprise, surprise, each payment value. FV is your future value. PPY is payments, you guessed it, per year. And this is compounding periods per year. Okay? Don't worry about compounding periods per year at the moment. It will normally, 90% of the time, be the same as your payments per year. Okay? Calculator actually does that by default. Okay? So if you want to take a screenshot of that, do it now quickly because I'm about to rub it off and I'm going to show you this example over here. Ready, set, screenshot with me out of it. Good, gone. All right, going to rub these things off. Now, because we're dealing with a calculator, calculator does all the hard work for you. All right, Frank borrowed $30,000. So that means he's got $30,000 in his pocket. All right, I'll talk about positives and negatives in a minute. It is the most vital part that so many people get wrong, but if you can get it, it'll be good. Just go with me for now. All right, borrowed $30,000. Interest rate, 2.5%. That goes there, 2.5. Easy. Paid monthly, so he's making 12 payments per year. You put in the 12 down there. By default, when you go between each one, you can either use the arrows, except for down here, you have to press your tab. Tab will toggle between each of the fields, okay? If you press your up and down arrow here, it'll go 11, 10, or 12, 13, whichever way you're going, okay? Press tab. Okay. Paid monthly over 10 years. This is the only bit you have to do a calculation for. It's a 10-year loan, and there are 12 payments per year. So you can type in 10 times 12, which works out to be 120. The calculator, you type in 10 times 12, it'll change it to 120. All right, FV. You have to know what's happening. FV. He's taken out a loan. He's got $30,000 in his pocket to go buy a car. He has to pay that money back. At the end of the loan, how much is he going to owe the bank? Right, nothing. So he will, at the end of the loan, owe nothing back to the bank. Now, the question will always say, work out one of these fields. In this case, now I gave the $281, whatever the amount was, $282.81. I gave that to you in the question. A question like this won't have it, so you will end up with a blank field. So what you need to do is you tab down to that empty box and press enter. And that will come up with 282 point, I can't remember how much it was. How much was it? 282.809 705 112. Be careful, there is a negative in front of it. I'll talk about that negative in a second. All right. Of course, you would round that to equals 282.81. Okay. So that would be a question like, how much does Frank pay each month? And you would just say $282.81. Now, this is the important bit. Why is it negative? All right. That $30,000 the bank gave to Frank, it is in his pocket. So if you're talking about, you've got to think about where the money is. If the money is in your pocket, then it is a positive. Okay? It is positive. That's the number you put in is positive. If the bank has borrowed money off you, your money is in the bank, it's an investment, then you haven't got the money in your pocket, the bank's got your money, so then it's negative. But in this case, if it's a loan, you've got the money in your pocket, you've gone and bought your car, you've got the car, great. Okay, if it's money that is going out of your pocket, so you're paying back the loan, so each payment, the negative means it's coming out of Frank's pocket at $282.81. So if it's money that's going out of your pocket, it is a negative. I'm sure Ms. Brown will explain that as well, but please make that in your bound reference. Absolutely. Take up a whole page if you have to. Don't make the mistake of getting your sides around the wrong way. It's really important. Okay. Ciao.